the basic important part of a smart grid. So that is why using these units it makes the grid, the conventional electric grid, to act smarter. So I hope this video is very useful to you. In the upcoming video we will see about the next devices. Thank you. Thanks for listening. It's another video of smart grid. In this video we are going to see, in the previous videos we are discussing about the smart grid technologies. So in the first video we discussed about the smart meters, and then we have discussed about Phasor measurement units, which includes in the previous video we have seen about the automated meter infrastructure, which is the main thing that incorporates the two-way communication between the utility sector and the consumer premises. How this automated metering infrastructure is being set up and what are the challenges it faces, what are the basic units of this AMI that was discussed in the previous video. In the present video we are going to discuss about the Phasor measurement units, which are the important unit of a smart grid. So in short it is called as PMU. So a Phasor measurement unit, PMU, is a device used to estimate the magnitude and phase angle of an electrical phasor quantity such as voltage or current in the electrical grid using a common time source for synchronization. Because in each and every point we are synchronizing energy, we are connecting it to the grid, so that as we claim it to be a smart grid, it has to detect outage, it has to detect the upcoming fault, and due to the self-healing property it has to detect and restore back from its fault conditions. So it can be possible only through PMU, because a grid which is highly synchronized need to have a Phasor measurement unit in order to make this synchronization even better without any manual interruptions. So PMUs are capable of capturing samples from a waveform in quick succession and reconstructing the phasor quantity, which is made up of an angle measurement and a magnitude measurement. So the resulting measurement is known as synchrophasor. These time synchronized measurements are important because if the grid supplies a demand which are not perfectly matched, frequency imbalance can occur on the grid, which is the potential cause for power outages. So this imbalance can only be avoided through these PMUs. So PMUs can also be used to measure the frequency in the power grid. So the basic parameters for synchronizations are voltages, phase angles, magnitude of voltage, phase angles, and frequency. So these things has to be matched to synchronize any two device through a common grid. So these will be continuously monitored through these Phasor measurement units. So now let's see what is the block diagram for PMU. So a PMU has a GPS receiver, because PMU will not be installed at one particular point, it is installed throughout the network. So we need GPS receivers in order to track the information from every nodal point, and then it is given to the phase locked oscillator, wherein which the data are being compared, and once it is matched, the oscillator will lock the phase values, and those values will be converted to a 16-bit analog to digital converters, and the same GPS receivers will provide phasor microprocessor signals which are being combined to the analog to digital converters. Therefore it is being given to the filters for analog conversions, and those analog conversions input will be given to the corresponding next blocks, which are the smart grid units, or to the other sensors for processing, and these will be transmitted to the other networks through modems. So this is the basic block diagram for Phasor measurement unit. So this Phasor measurement unit acts along with the intelligent electronic devices so as to give better solution to the synchronization problems. So Phasor measurement unit is located at every point of the power system in order to give better resilient nature for the smart grid. What does mean by resilience? It is like bouncing back from the outages or fault or any disturbances that occurs in the power systems. So how it bounce back? It is because with this PMU unit sorry, this PMU readings. So this phasor measurement units are plays a very crucial role in this smart grid operations, making it more self-healing and resilient. So in this video we have seen about